Sorry guys, I didn't know that I was streaming with you. Then, guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, welcome back to another video. And today we are playing, what do you call it? Don't press the button. Don't press the button on this, guys. You're not meant to. Stop pressing the button. Why like the zombie apocalypse? There's not really like a zombie apocalypse. No, there isn't. That guy, I don't think he's even in that game. That guy's not even in. I'll tell you now. I think this game's got hacked. Games do get hacked, but I don't think. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna have to get off here and, you know. They're like, I know that there's servers on this, so you can get different servers. No, that's the server I was just in. Let's join this. Get hacked. I do like when servers do get hacked out. Oh, I love these types of games. Awesome. That's my favourite part. But that guy is just. Why? Oh, yes. Everyone don't like the blue. No, nobody. Ain't nobody gotta kill themselves. Ooh, got killed. I think you get a second chance. No, you normally get a second chance. That's weird. Don't blame me. Where are we? How do you even get there? Oh, that's how you get there. This is a very upgraded way how to sneak upon it. Don't tell anyone I'm kind of just cheats. A big fat cheater that was. That was a massive meatball. Are you serious? That was a massive meatball. Who was that? Tsunami. Got killed. Look at the tsunami. Tsunami actually bad. Tsunami. They call it tsunami. I don't think that's appropriate. Ring bang. What the heck? Bang bang. Don't get it. I've been recording for 5 minutes already. They're doing pretty good, these people. That's 3 people. Press it, press it, press it. The aim is to press it so you get like. Who's it blaming? You? What does it mean? Ew. With the rockets. Ah, rockets! The rockets coming. I think I can survive this one. I survived it. This is easy. It's like taking candy from a baby. Ah! Yes! That's what I'm really good at. Well, this is fun. My arm! What happened to my arm? People's body parts are going. What's happened?
Beautiful thing I've seen in my life. It's a banana. Next to a banana.
That is just funny. Don't tell anyone that was happening. I don't want to get to the top. You have to get to the top. No, you have. You have to get to the top. With banana. 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 Terrible at parkour. I'm terrible at parkour when I've not got any hands. I want to get off these banana stones. They're terrible. I mean, terrifying, more like. Well, that kid got killed. Oh no, he's just joined the server, probably. Score a goal. That's easy. Oh, score it. Score a goal. I wish that I could have my thing back. Jeez. It's very annoying. Go like this. Bob, no, no, no. Bob, no, no. It's very terrifying. I don't like it, really. I want it to be on the... Get ready. What? I can't even hold it. I can't even hold this. Dodge the fight. I can't... Ah! He just... Yeah, they killed me! All of a sudden. Well, this man tall, yo. Oh, you're tall. And I'm taller. I wanna be taller. I'm taller. This is very annoying. There's only... I think that guy... Wait. What's that mean? Oh! I thought I'd be able to... What? Everyone's good at this. I'm not. I'm the only person in this lobby. Ah! What the heck? What the heck? What are you doing? Oh, finish. Speedrun. Boom. Boom. Like speedrun, y'all. Good at speedruns. I think I've done better since I first started playing the speedrun game. I think I did do. I think I actually did do better. Oh. But oh yeah. I don't quickly get to the top. I'm already at the top though. That day made sense. Dang it! I didn't do anything. I was just rude. Let's buy some Bloxy Calder. How much is that? 5,000. 300. How much is that? 1,600. I'm gonna go to buy. Let's buy some Bloxy Calder. Okay, this spread. I don't get this. Next update at 5. I feel like I've been terrible at it. Stop. Oh no. Easy. Oh. Ah! What the? Let's get in the video. Everyone must have killed this one. Oh, what the heck, y'all? No snowball hurt me. Don't tell anyone. Ouch! That is an ouchie. Watch out. Oh, ah! Potatoes! Why the load of potatoes there, boy? That was pretty weird. Reach the top. What do you mean, reach the top? Oh, it's another cloud game. Oh. Whoever pressed that button, I hate them. I hate these games like clouds. Cloudy. They're easy to jump. No, they're not easy to jump on. They're soft, but not easy to jump. Because people think it's stupid. Who was that? Reach the top again. How's it done that twice in a row? Whoever made this game, I think there's a glitch there. Because that just did it twice in a row, dude. I mean, bro. I'm not slang. I do not do slang words. I love to do slang words, but I'm terrible. I feel like I'm terrible at this game. Hey, I'm doing it. Yeah. That's not even proper jumping. Feed the giant noob. What do you mean, feed the giant noob? Oh, we have to feed him ourselves. Oh, we just went into his poop. Yeah, we just went into his poop. I do not like poop. Ain't nobody like pooping. Feed the giant noob. Feed the giant noob. Feed the giant noob. Feed the giant noob. Don't feed him. Don't. I just got killed by this giant noob. That is just mean. That giant noob is just horrible. I'm trying to unfeed him. Unfeed him first! What the heck, dude? As you say, that is just... I'm terrified. What do you mean? Why does that meatball always choose to come in the middle? It's very annoying. Ah! Oh yeah, see, he's just gone in. Ah! Oh, well, everyone just died. That was that good. Oh, slide. Yay! Right, I actually can't get speedrun going for the next video. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now let's get off here. Whoever keeps pressing these buttons, they're very annoying. Yeah. See you guys. Peace. In the next video I will be doing speedrun. So see ya. Bye. Peace.